This Soluna Australia video is going to show you how to connect your Wi-Fi. You can connect your Wi-Fi by either using the Soluna Solar Professional app or the SolarMan free homeowner app. This video we're going to show you how to do it via the SolarMan app. Simply open the app and once in there click Device. On the device page, go down the left hand side and hit Connect. The logger serial number connected to the plant will now show up. Simply hit that to start the configuration. If the home Wi-Fi network hasn't come up, hit Switch Network and here you'll find a drop-down list of available Wi-Fi. After entering the Wi-Fi password, you can then simply hit Confirm. You'll be prompted to connect to the logger, which will show as an available network. Look out for AP underscore, then the logger serial number. Please allow several minutes for the configuration to happen. If you receive a failed attempt, the app will prompt you to enter configuration mode directly on the logger. You can do this by pushing the logger button on a short press and ensure that the net light flashes rapidly. Note though that this may take you back to the start to re-enter the homeowner Wi-Fi details. The SolarMan app will also prompt you on some additional troubleshooting. Just follow the guide and what the light indicator is doing. Once configured, take a look around the app. Here you can find your solar generation, your energy consumption, energy imported or exported to and from the grid, as well as your battery charge and discharge too.